Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on the proceedings today at High Court in Pretoria. Yabona urata, guys. You see how Umnisi is putting it now, ukuthi. We are just asking ukuthi uNcube ahambe for his dental appointment esizomenzela yona, and he's even willing to pay for it. Bezo-check leyo incision that they saying ukuthi Wi-Fi, whether it's a gold tooth or it's gold teeth. Yabona uthatha istage asazi ngoba naye akayazi. It's just like attendance. Angazana nama golide mina in my teeth. Kulmani kubona lona. So to prove that we need to do this, and uzoyasho u-advocate minister ukuthi no, sicela nje kahle ngesihle ukubona. And you know what's crazy about that though? Angihumula uRathu uthe last week uthi uRathu, I've never heard of it. Ngikaze in my 55 years. 55 futhi sami uhlala esi 55 years of experience angikhumbuli. Isicelo esinje. And uyasibona ukuthi state sifeel ukuthi no, we can't allow you. But my thing is that if you don't allow them, saying it to them, go back and show me a client like it, or accuse number 3. My thing is that if you don't allow them, why are you shady about it? Just grant the people the permission to go check at the dentist. If this guy has had gold teeth before, or a tooth for that matter, or in some incision, in between his teeth. Like, you understand my point? I'm just like, so, all right, what is the problem with the state? Ufilani. I need to say this guy, so when you don't have to justify yourself, you just go. In fact, actually, you're helping us to just add on our things. You had the gold tooth. But man, you're being shady now. And Umnis is arguing the fact that who accused number 3 didn't even know about this. It's been how many months now? And then we are coming on. No, actually, why in a gold tooth? No, actually, he had gold teeth. That's not fair. That's what Umnis is trying to say. Number 3. Finally, he's human. He's not just a toy to play around with, like Ukininda has done with them, all 5 of them. You remember, I've always said, families, they're breadwinners for that matter. With their families. And the is because of just one person. What's 375 abantu bahlukumezeka ngalo 375. Galeso skhathi uRathu last week wayefunda ama case ka 1920. Remember I had said 1912 mina. No, actually I said 1912. Ngempela it was 1920. I was just like, yes, ufunda into zakudala ezingekho ezinga exist ezingazisiza nganext. Some of those cases that he was reading from are international. Like, what must we do with that information, guys? When you just want justice for the 5 guys, this is all we're looking for here. And mainly cool for the Miwas and Senzo for that matter. You remember also ukuthi ene ubalo udume ngokuthi ene ambush abantu and ambush people and be like, here's the information on the day. So Umnisi today, he had problems, which he actually did apologize profusely. Wathi ngiyaxolisa nkosami ngako konke engikwenzile, ngiyaxolisa ngokufika 15 minutes late today, ngiyaxolisa ukuthi computer yami was doing stuff to me, yangijikela i-computer when I was just about to send people things on the weekend I couldn't send to the state, obviously, and the defense, and be like, this is what's going on, this is what's going to happen, this is how it's going to go down, you know. But at the same time, I was just like, when he doesn't get things on time or information for that matter in time. I don't remember, guys. I don't. Like I said this morning, this week. And finally, constitution, because it must be a fair trial for accused number 3. We deserve a leon. And also, it's not even about deserving, guys. He knows and he must just prove it. And why are people now jumping? Hey, why? Why? If you know exactly who umengan, please don't then. come and be like, no, there's no need for that. There is a need. Angithi ngisukele uthi ngangina amazinyo engingawazi. Wathi ngawafaka, it could be a tooth, it could be amazinyo out-10, but ngangiwafake nini? Can I just prove it to you ukuthi mina ngaze ngifake izinyo in life nje, in general, angazi in my life ever? Can I just have at least ke writing encanyana ngaphandle ukuthi some stage ngangihlaliswe uBrigadier Gininda ugatekeeper eSimex confinement, solitary confinement on my own. I had no rights, I had no say. Ngathi ngaze ngasho ngamcela uGininda ngathi ngicela uphuma kule solitary confinement ngenzeni lengaka ngoba I behave in prison, I contain ngenzi, and also futhi kahle hle kwasa emsenzo mheyi angaze ngize ngembulala. So why am I being put in some cage? Ngoba it looked like a cage at some stage indlela ababemfaka ngayo ukuthi ngathi uhlala in some cage. Chances are you don't know, guys. Good baba trisa kanjani that solitary confinement? Have you been when it's Simex? You've never been to Simex, so you'll never know for sure. Nango lothabo best yakhala every day. Useze ke manje wayithola ikhompyutha yakho uthi uthabo best kunini esibelesele naye loyo, you know. So basically for accused persons, section 35, what it does for them, it gives them that whole thing yokuthi they should have a fair trial. So if we accuse number 3, it must happen. Lento yoku dentist, it's going to take place kanti singadlala urathathini benobaloyi. Yabona teamwork la is like so crazy for me. I'm just like ngiyayithanda le teamwork. Ngoba vele guys, we have to support each other. Fanele ukuthi umnisi akhuluma into eyodwa, umsholo akhuluma into eyodwa, uzithulele angathuli akhuluma into eyodwa naye. Plus noRamusipile came on wathi no section 37 wama identification nokuthi niyayidecidela nini ukuthi lo yanontanzi. You saw, I'm sure, one of my shots I did this morning where I was talking about ukuthi kanjani, how is this ntanzi, guys? Lokho kubona leyo nto le upreselela leyo ke manje uRamusipile akadlali lithi hot. Oh my gosh, I'm just like ubukuphi wena Ramusipile, where were you? Why preselela nje le nto ukuthi nje you are allowed to also press on section 37 nokuthi ama appearances abantu and all of that, and wa-add lento kamnisi ukuthi accused number 3 is allowed for a fair trial ukuthi cele lento ayicelayo ukuthi ngicela ukubona i-dentist, please ngiyazicelela, noma i-dental surgeon, anyone actually also ngincede ngiphume kule nkinga ukuthi abantu bangifosta ukuthi mina nganginamazinyo engingawazi bangifosta. Hey, the way Brigadier Gininda made these things up, guys, it's gonna catch up. It's catching up actually. And wacela ukuthi uRamusipile besacela ukuthi court i-postpone, obviously I mean to grant, angithi after you've granted permission for Mr. Mncube, you need to give him time to do this. People can't just come nje njengo ubrothers lo warrant officer Ndlovu uqhamuka ne-information nje wena after months of this case going on. Siqhamuka ukuthi abantu babe nama gold tooth nama gold teeth ngoba usudecidile on the day. It doesn't work like that. Guys, you realize ukuthi this is gonna be crazy when the results come back from a dental surgeon or a dentist, a normal dentist or a orthodontist, normal or a dental surgeon for that matter. If the results come back, Mabasa, warrant. It's actually warrant Mabasa. I'm busy looking at Ndlovu, guys. I'm so Mabasa. Bazothi wena. Qala ubuza ukuthi wabona kuphi mhlawumbe. Lamazinyo dreama ngawo or wabona kukhanya mhlambe umuntu mayivula umlomo kukhanya i-light mhlambe in the mouth, and then you made a decision ukuthi izathi, but mina ngithi uGininda wena wathi faka lamazinyo wa-add. We don't wanna know nontanzi unawo mose amazinyo esiwa-edile samupha i-gold tooth. Please edit, guys. Like, it's crazy though. Yo, hayi about the case. I tell you, bake bakuthwala abakubomiwa, guys. Look, hayi. Guys, please comment kodwa njena. The defense actually must stay nje ku section 35, all of them, all 4 of them. Bacule nje one song. Uratha nje mayithi bathi yebo sihleli asimovie. After uRamusipile ke kwasekulandela uZithulele Nxumalo. Uyamazi ukuthi uZithulele ake yena umuntu wamagama amaningi, but uyazazi indaba zakhe. Ungayenzi mistake. It's just I don't like how uRasta sometimes treats him. So Nxumalo, You understand? Then to standard 3. Please. And like I've always said, guys, these are admitted advocates. You cannot speak to them like ukhuluma nomfana washimoto or something like that, actually. Crazy things like that. Urata, guys. Like, I respect times, Urata. Put not at times every day. Agana irrespect. He doesn't know when to stop. He doesn't. Like akabanigeza bantu indawo yabo. You understand my point where I'm coming from, guys? Please let me know if I'm wrong. So that's in the comment. Ningitshela ukuthi nibone kanjani into kaNxumalo and how Urata treating him like a small child. Lento kaRata of interjecting while a person is speaking. Ubenza lezo zinto kuNxumalo. Like uNxumalo, guys, akakwazi nokukhuluma, akakuthanda ukukhuluma uNxumalo, but he knows his work, he knows his stuff. Again, umuntu amagama amaningi uNxumalo. If you've noticed, ufana negama lakho uZithulela. Nangu Rata. Ula njengenyosi emntaneni wabantu. Is this even necessary? What? Hey. But to end up ke kodwa Shem uZithulela Nxumalo ekwazile ukusubmita submissions ngendlela afuna ngayo, and watrya ukuthi amfake noRata obengena ngewindi busy interjecting omunye umntwana ekhuluma. That's not right. Umshololo this time uvele wathi no, I actually don't have submissions, but yonke into esishiyo ngihambelana nayo section 35 constitutional law. Phela. Yeah, fair trial emntaneni wabantu. Yeah, so can we just go on with that? Like, honestly, guys, sekufanele sizwe ngo-Dr. Ronnie Sibanda thina ukuthi should we take or accuse number 3 to the dentist or not? However, how is that even possible? This is not even going to work. It's just like, no. Or advocate Charles Mnisi can just continue to ask uMabasa imbuzo around the dental situation or the gold tooth or whatever, but we don't have to go to the dentist. No, say I. Guess is when well, guys, can you just comment just decide now when you decided your stuff, we didn't care about your situations. Now, why are you being shady? Usufunde amanga. That's the problem. Ufunda kubaba, phela uyancela ngithi kubaba khoma umuntu, guys. And uSibanda, guys, has learned so many lies in yakhe, like he doesn't even know what to do. This is the same person who was reading day in, day out, I think like for 10 days now. Straight up. Too busy ufundana nani nama bank statements angekho AI anga exist. Now you come up with stories now ukuthi now we mustn't go to the dentist. Last year kon. No. Even ngisho uRata is now coming up with stories sokuthi and okay, so ku-dentist ke like kuzokwenziwa njani, where will this thing be? Bengathi ngaba khona because ngithi no, it's fine. Wena Rata no Kininda no Mabasa no in the whole of defense, we can all go to the dentist. I think, guys, let's just do that because abantu, the way they're associated now in this case, like they don't know themselves, you know. And if you've noticed with Ramosepile akadlali uphezu kwa Mabasa ngalezi zithombe zakhe ezifake engeke ezinga-exist ezibethi lo untanzi ngiyena untanzi. Waqeda ke angithi udokotela engani kaBaloyi uRoni uthema eqeda wakhuluma ngithi advocate Mnisi ukuthi bra, it doesn't matter ukuthi uthini, at the end of the day i-dentist siyaya. Angazi ukuthi ngicazela kanjani ukubona leyo nto leyo, because you can't just come with stuff and uhlele kule nto le Mnisi yokuthi labantu bahlala li-10 nale information baqabunga today. Uyayibona leyo nto. So like there's nothing that's gonna help us. Tina, the only thing we're going to do is just to go to a dentist. Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. Wase yasukuma uRamosepile wathi omancane nami ngifuna uku-add u-R1 kuyo yonke lento lo. It's actually not even R1. He added like a lot of rands on the thing. He was just like u2 cent wami, if it buka ngazo 2 cent, no, it's actually not, it's in add nami okwami. Uyabona u-attorney Sipho Ramosepile uphezu kwaMabasa uthi, you remember ukuthi sakhuluma even naNondlovu ukuthi ene naye lo uMabasa actually agreed ukuthi photos can be tampered with, manipulated and edited. Hey, there's a lot of things that you can do with photos. Wavuma ubabalo. And Sipho Mosipilli indlela too much ngayo wavele washo njalo ukuthi yekani ukuthi watshela even the court futhi he was actually telling us, guys, he wasn't even telling us that whole thing yokuthi akuyekho lento ukuthi the photos cannot be edited, cannot be manipulated and be tampered with. They can be. Those things can happen in those photos. Anything can happen. And the whole thing for Tombe doesn't have to come from that person. Ingaqhamuka ku WhatsApp ithunyelwe omunye umuntu ufike wena usidonse lesithombe usenze into zakho usedit usifaka amadlebe usikhiphe amehlo. You understand my point, guys? This is why he end up in a hoodie manje saxatshanela hoodie last week eseqamba mangana lo bhuti lo abathi uRoni Sibanda. So that's all he was trying to explain uSipho Mosipilli ukuthi shemda team, guys. Ayikho mfethu into asobenza yona defense. We are onto them. Yeah, no. Ngiphakathi inside nam, I'm just like lalela. Noma ngabe yini. To just nje someday prove ukuthi those 5 accused did not delete sense. Yikho into esingasizo sense. Yabo manje makuthiwa sifana ke se-dentist. Akeze urathi ku-dentist. Nami ngingazi even. And it's understandable, guys, ukuthi umnisi is a bit worried ukuthi accused number 3 when you're supposed to go to the dentist kuzoba nzima. I get it. Although at first I felt like ngathi negative manje umnisi, what's up with that? But I get it. You know why? Because also uyakhumbula indaba zase-Cimex mase kufanele ukuthi abantu benze izinto nini ngithi wayese ku-confinement le solitary confinement. There was a story after story after story. Waze kodwa waphuma lapho bamkhipha in that solitary confinement. So there's always things there ngoba ngisogini ndibona ama-gatekeepers akhona uyabona leyo nto leyo. So even lesuke ukinindi angayi-gatekeeper abengenelele athi hayi miseni ku-dentist noma yiphi loyo futhi nitha kube nini nithatha ama-results nitshele lo dentist ukuthi yenzeni ingenzini. Uyabona ukuthi we don't trust anything. Uzoyamnise kanje he's like hey angazi indaba yakhe the advisor yabo at the prison, how is that, those dynamics, how is that gonna work? Uyabona leyo nto. Ngiyambona uRoni Sibanda ukuthi uqalile sethi manje bazosisiza nge-state dentist. No asisifuni. We can't, guys. Labantu banobuqhophololo like you've never seen. So nje I don't even want anything that has to do with them. Mayikabi. As umnisi is going to speak to Mncubene ukuthi bakhuluma indaba yokuthi so indaba ye-dentist zokwenza njani. Urathi busy isihlabaring with Roni Sibanda babhizi. Uyamkhumbula umani bani ubhuti wakhe omunye wayifaka i-gold tooth it was the brother. Guys, Urata like he's trying everything ukusebenzisana ne-state. Urata he needs to stop. Accused number 3 uMthobisi Ncube straight up told advocate Charles Mnisi ukuthi lalela I've lost confidence into engihlanganisa nje ne-state ngisaba noma kuba le nto leyo. And Urata has pushing state. No, uSibanda. No, guys, we don't want anything that has to do with states. States, guys, is trying into engenge, right? Labantu laba bathanda ukupheka. You understand? And manufacture stuff. You can't rely on those people. Guys, Urata wadalwa kanjani ngempela, guys? Uyamtshela umnisi ukuthi uLord doesn't trust the state anymore. Uzuyamtshela ukuthi he's cautious. Those were the words. Accused number 3 akafuni i-dentist state ufune a-private. And then Urata usabuza u-advocate baloyi ukuthi baloyi is it possible? Guys, please nkosami kuloba unjani